On this video today, I'm going to show you an underground strategy that you can use to make money with your affiliate products. So I'm going to show you a strategy that you can use to make up to $349 per sale. So I'll be showing you the traffic source that you are going to use to promote these products. I'll also be showing you the strategy that you need to use to promote the products. You can use this method on ClickBank, you can use it on Digistore24. So the best part of it is that you don't need any skill, you don't need any kind of investment to start making sales with this particular strategy that I'm about to show you. So if you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here and then click on the marketplace. So you are going to click on that. So as you can see, once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. And what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down and then come to the e-business and e-marketing category. So you are going to click on that. So once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this. And as you can see, this is a product that you can promote, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So when you promote and you get a sale, you are going to earn $46 per sale. So as you can see, there's another product here. You are going to earn $47 per sale. As you can see, get paid to review apps on your phone. So this is a product that you can also promote. So when you scroll down, you can see there's another one here, $17 per sale. When you scroll down, you can see there are a lot of products here that you can promote. But we are going to be promoting this particular product. As you can see, you are going to earn $349 per sale. As you can see. So what we are going to do is that we are going to click on the product so that you can see the landing page, how it looks like. So when you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So as you can see, this is the landing page of the product. So as you can see, everything right here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to begin promoting this product. So this is about making money online. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to use an article to promote this particular product. So we want people to read more about making money online so that we can get them to purchase this product so that we can earn a commission. So what we are going to do is that we are going to search for ways to make money online. So we are going to search for an article so that we can use it to promote the product. So right here you can see there are several articles here. You can see 5 ways to make money online fast. So when you scroll, you can see that there are many articles here, as you can see. So what we are going to do is that we are going to find one and then use it to promote the product. So as we scroll, you can see there are a lot of them. So what we are going to do is that we are going to open any of them. So I'm going to open this one right here. So we are going to open it. So once you open the article, you can see that this is how it looks like. So we are going to be using this article to promote the product. So as you can see, everything is intact. So what we are going to do is that we are going to rewrite this article because we want people to read about how to make money online before we promote the product to them. We don't want to just send them a link and then expect them to buy the product because they might not know what we are talking about. So we have to present them information about making money online before they purchase the product. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to rewrite this article and then publish it so that we can use it to promote the product. So what we are going to do is that we are going to open a Google document so that you can start putting your article together. So once you open the Google document, what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here and then copy the title of the article. So here, as you can see, you are going to copy it. So once you copy it, you are going to paste it right here. So you are going to paste the title of your article here. So let's change the title. So we are going to type something like 5 ways to make money online. So this is what we are going to do. 5 ways to make money online. So once you get the title of your article, the next thing is that we are now going to copy this article. So what we are going to do is we are going to copy the introduction of this particular article. So we are going to copy it. Once you copy it, you don't have to paste the same article as your own. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here and then you are going to rewrite this particular article. So you are going to paste it on an article rewriter tool. Here, once you paste your content, you are going to rewrite this particular article. So you are going to enter the capture code here. So let's enter that. You are going to enter KABI and you are going to click on rewrite text. So once you click on that, you are going to rewrite the text. So as you can see, the text has been rewritten. As you can see, on the accounts of the web, when you come here, you can see thanks to the internet. So this article has been rewritten. So we are going to copy the rewritten text as our own. So this is now different from the original text. So you are going to copy it and then come to your document and you are going to paste it here. So once you paste your results, this is how it is going to look like. You can see this is the introduction of your article. As you can see, the next thing is that you are now going to begin copying the ways. So as you can see, the first way to make money online is taking online surveys. You are going to copy that and then come right to your article and you are going to paste it here. So once you copy and paste it, you can see it right here. So the next thing is that you are going to copy the explanation for this way. So you are going to copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to article rewriter and then you are going to delete this particular text. So you are going to delete it and then paste the next text here. So once you paste it, you are going to come right here and then rewrite text. So you are going to rewrite the points. So once you click on rewrite, you can see that the text has been rewritten. As you can see, the text has been rephrased. So you are going to copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to bring it back to your article. So you are going to paste it right here. So once you paste it, you can see this is how it looks like. So as I scroll, you can see this is how it looks like. So you are going to do this for the rest of the points. So I'm going to do that and come back to you. You are welcome back, and as you can see, this is how the article looks like. So let me scroll down for you to see 5 ways to make money online. You can see everything in the article. So as you can see, this is a complete document that we can now share with others. So the next thing is that we are now going to add an image in this particular document. So you are going to come here and then you are going to insert an image here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come to pixels. Once you come to pixels, you are going to search for money. So once you search for money, you can see different images here. So we are going to download one of them. So let's download this particular image. So we are going to download this image. So once you download the image, the next thing is that you are going to insert the image in this particular document. So you're going to put your cursor right here. So once you put it here, you are going to select this particular icon, insert image. So you are going to select that. Once you click on it, you are going to select upload from computer. So you are going to select that. So as you can see here, once you upload the image, this is how it is going to appear in the document. So the next thing is that we are now going to use this article to drive traffic to the affiliate product that we are promoting. So when you come here, you are going to put a text here that will get them to click through your affiliate link. So as you can see, I've just put a text here that will get them to click through the affiliate link. As you can see, make 10k per month online without a skill or experience. So this is another headline that will get them to click through your affiliate link. So what you are going to do is that we are going to make it bold, and let's increase the font size here. So you are going to increase the font size right here. So once you increase the font size, the next thing is that you are now going to insert your affiliate link onto this particular text so that you can get them to click through your affiliate link. So you are going to go back to ClickBank and copy your affiliate link. Once you come to ClickBank, you are going to click on promote. So once you click on promote, you can select a landing page right here. So they have several landing pages here that you can select. So we are going to just click on generate hop link so that we select the default page. So we are going to click on generate hop link. So once you click on generate hop link, you are going to copy your affiliate link right here. So now this is the unique affiliate link that we are going to be promoting. So when people purchase the product through this link, we are going to earn a commission. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come right here and click on insert link. Once you click on insert link, you are going to paste your link right here and then click on apply. So right now you can see this particular text is now linked to your affiliate product. So we are going to scroll and then go to the next point. So when you come to the next point, you are going to come right here and then you are going to insert another text here that will get them to click through your affiliate link. So let me do that. So as you can see, this is another text that I have pasted here that can get them to click through the affiliate link. So as you can see, how to make money from home as a complete beginner. So as you can see, this is another text. So what you are going to do is that you're going to make it bold. You are going to increase the font size. So as you can see, once you increase the font size, you are going to copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come right here and then you're going to insert your link right here. So you are going to paste it. Once you paste it, click on apply. And you can see this text is also linked to your affiliate product. So we are going to be doing that for the rest of the points. So as you can see, the next thing is that we are going to come right here and then insert another text here. So as you can see, this is the next text that you can use to get them to click through the affiliate product. So let's delete this. So as you can see, what you are going to do is that you are going to highlight it, as you can see. So you are going to come here and then make the text bold. Once you are going to increase the font size of the text, so as you can see right here. So as you can see, so what we are going to do is that we are going to now insert our affiliate link in this particular text. So you are going to come back to ClickBank and copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come right here and then insert your affiliate link right here. So you're going to paste your affiliate link. Once you paste your affiliate link, click on apply, and the text is now linked to your affiliate product. So as you can see, when you scroll down, this is the last point. Now what you are going to do is that you are going to leave another call to action at the bottom. So as you can see it right here, get this 2000 bonus for free. Oh, there is one more thing. As a bonus for a limited time, I'm going to give you instant access to my most popular training ever. So as you can see, this is something that will also get them to click through your affiliate link. So what you are going to do is that you are going to put a call to action like this at the bottom of the article. So you are going to click here to join now. So you are going to put a call to action like this. Let's highlight it, and then we are going to make it bold, and then now we are going to increase the font size of it, as you can see. And now what you are going to do, you are going to insert your affiliate link right here. So you are going to come to this icon. Once you click on it, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here, click on apply. Now everything is in place. As you can see, the article is now complete. So now we can get people to click through our affiliate link to purchase the product for us to earn a commission. So what we are going to do is that we are now going to get traffic to this particular article. We want to get people to read this particular article. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to come right here, click on file. Once you click on file, you are going to scroll down and come to this particular option, publish to the web. So you are going to select this option. Once you select publish to the web, you are going to click on publish. Once you click on publish, just click on OK, and you can see this is the link to your article. So as you can see, let me copy this link. Once you copy this link, let me paste it in a new browser for you to see. So you are going to paste it right here. Let me enter that for you to see. So as you can see, this is the article, as you can see it right here. So as you can see, this is how the article looks like, and when people read this particular article, they are going to click through your affiliate link, as you can see right here. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to share this particular link to people so that they can read this particular article. So the next thing is that you are going to come to this website. This website allows you to post links. As you can see, link here, you can see links here, you can see links here. So I will be logging in to show you how it works. So as you can see, this particular website, they have images and many other content. The name of this website is dashbus.com. So we are going to come here, you can see dashbus.com. So that is the name of the website. So what you're going to do is that you're going to click on the sign up button so that you can sign up for an account. But I already have an account, so I'm going to log in for you to see. So as you can see, you're going to log in right here. When you log into your account, this is how it is going to look like. And what you are going to do is that if you want to post something on this particular platform, you're going to just come here, share what is new. So you are going to click on that. Once you click on that, you can write a text here. You can write a text here. Anything that you want to post, you can write it here. You can also upload an image here. You can upload a video. You can upload an audio. But we have a link to an article that you want to share. Or you can also share the link to your website here or your landing page here. So here we are going to share the link to our article. So you are going to click on this particular icon. So when you click on it, you can share the link of your article here. So we're going to paste it here. Once you paste it here, it is going to fetch our article. And you can see it has fetched the article here. You can see the title and everything is right here. You can see docs.google.com. So when people click on this particular link, they are going to be directed to the article. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to choose a board. You can see my board here, make money online. So once you choose a board, the next thing is that you're going to click on burst. That means post or publish. So that is the term for this website. So you click on burst. You can also schedule your post to be published later, but you want it now, so we are going to leave it like that. So you are going to click on burst so that your article can go live on this particular platform. So you click on burst. Once you click on, you can see it is loading. And now as you can see, this is our article. So you can see the link right here. So when people click on this particular article, they are going to be directed to the documents, and then once they read it, they can click through our affiliate link and then make a purchase for us to earn a commission. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Once again, thank you for watching. I'll meet in another video.